Okay, we are going to talk about trade discounts here, so let's get started. We have some formulas up there at the top. Okay, a trade discount is a discount that someone gets when they're in the business. For example, a construction worker would get a discount on his supplies because he knows the supplier, he uses a large amount of them, so they give him a discount on that. Also, stores. The items they sell, they're not selling them for the same amount they bought them for, okay? They have what's called a trade discount. Okay, so the list price for something is how much you would pay for it. A trade discount is how much they take off of that price for someone who's in the business. And what you end up with is your net price, okay, which is what they would sell it to them for. So let's do an example here. It says the catalog price on an item is $625. The trade discount rate is 30%. What is the net price? Okay, so if we look up here, to find the net price, we're supposed to take the list price minus whatever the trade discount is. Okay, so we have a list price of $625. We need, the trade discount is 30%, so basically 30% off. Okay, now there's two ways to do this. One is to just straight do this, change 30% to a decimal, and take 0.3 times 625. Later in this lesson, they will talk about using complements, and that's the way that I prefer to do it. But we will go with the long version first. Okay, so 30% of the $625 was $187.50. So the trade discount is $187.50. Now if we go back and find our net price, we know it's equal to the list price of $625 minus the trade discount, which was $187.50. We find that the net price for this item, whatever it might be, is $437.50. So that's how much someone in the business would end up paying for it. It was listed at $625, but they got a 30% discount. So we took off that 30% and they were left with just